Hello everybody, this is going to be a review of paragraphs and essays. Maybe not a review for you, but that's okay, we'll call it a review anyway. So what we're going to do is we're really going to concentrate in this paragraph on paragraphs, and then I'm going to make another video on essays. I don't want to make them too long. I don't want to make the videos so long, excuse me. Alright, so let's go to the next slide. Okay. So we know a paragraph is a series of sentences. I like this graph that they use here, excuse me, of the table. So your point or the top of the table is the topic sentence, and then you have your support. Now these I'm going to go into a little differently, but support is very general. I would use these legs as the major details. So, and then if you had little branches coming off, like, excuse me, like coming off these major details like this, these would be your minor details. So again, topic sentence, major, 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 or how many majors you have, and then the little ones here are supporting. The major would be your minors, okay? So if you take a look, if you read this paragraph by Ben, pause here, read it, and then we're going to break it apart. We're going to find the topic sentence, the major details, and the minor details. So let's go through it. So what is the point or what is the topic sentence? Okay, good. So the first sentence here was an introduction, and then remember, if you have but or however, usually in the second sentence, it's probably going to be the topic sentence. So, but many others have to deal with everyday bad habits that have also become known as soft addictions. So what are these soft addictions? The paragraph should go ahead and tell us. All right, so let's go. So he begins with an introductory comment, like I said. Okay, there are three supporting details. So the first one, one soft addiction is drinking coffee. Actually, that's what I'm doing right now. Second is television. I have that one as well. And then the third one is the most widespread and growing soft addiction today is the internet. I don't think I have an addiction to the internet, more coffee and television for me. Yours may be different. So we have three major details. And then the details or the support obviously are we giving examples or reasons. All right, essays. So essays start with a point. Let's go through here. So paragraphs always have a topic sentence. Well, I should say body paragraphs always has a topic sentence. And then your essay will have a thesis statement instead of a topic sentence. It'll be easier when I show you the graph, the chart. All right, so if you take a look here, so this is a 5-paragraph essay. Not all paragraphs, or excuse me, all essays aren't 5 paragraphs, but this is just the general setup. So you're going to have your introductory paragraph, and here you're going to learn ways how you can start it. You might want to start it with an anecdote or a quote. There are different ways, and I have a really nice video on that you will watch probably week 6. So then you're going to have your first support. So you'll have your thesis statement here. The thesis statement to me is a topic sentence on steroids. Because take a look here. This is a body paragraph. It's giving support. It's a paragraph, so it's going to have a topic sentence. Since this thesis is covering the whole essay, the thesis has to, to me, it's a topic sentence on steroids. It contains the same components as a topic sentence of a body paragraph. So let's take a look. So it's a 5-paragraph essay. So we're going to have the intro and then the 3 body paragraphs, support number 1, support number 2, support number 3. Then you're going to have a concluding paragraph. Remember when we were doing paragraphs themselves, I wanted your introduction, or just start with a topic sentence, major, 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 and then a closing sentence. Here, because we're covering material, instead of having just a closing sentence, we're going to have a closing paragraph or concluding paragraph, because we have more to talk about or more to summarize. Let's continue. Good. So if there are only 2 supporting paragraphs, just take one out. Okay, so they're going to go over here, the part of the essay, the title, which we know your title should be about the paragraph. Don't put the assignment title. So if it's about my favorite restaurant, just put my favorite restaurant, or something delicious, something catchy, but don't put paragraph number 1, okay? The introductory paragraph. Good. You want to have a hook. You want to get the reader's attention. Then you want to have the thesis statement. Again, thesis statement is for the whole essay, the whole entire essay. Oh, I went too fast. And then your topic sentences are for your body paragraphs. Notice I'm not saying topic sentence for the concluding paragraph. There is no topic sentence in the concluding paragraph, and there is no topic sentence in the introductory paragraph. Introductory paragraph, you want to hook, get our attention, then give the thesis. Topic sentence, topic sentence, topic sentence, no topic sentence. Okay, so here are 4 ways. I go over more in another video, but telling a brief story, these are how you could start your essay. Tell a brief story, ask 1 or more questions, shifting to the opposite, which a lot of these topic sentences that we are finding shift to the opposite. I'll show you an example of it. And then going from broad to narrow. Let's go through. They'll give an example of each. So tell an interesting story. You want to get our attention. Good. It can be a personal story. So let's see here. If Ben had used the approach in his essay in soft addictions, this is how it would look. Okay. Good. So he's going to talk about his friend, get us interested about, oh, Jasmine was interested in spending a week. Now again, this is going to be for an essay. So here he's going to get our attention. He's talking about his friend Jasmine telling a story. And then look, he goes into her dependence on the internet suggests that Jasmine is a victim of a soft addiction. So you see how he did that differently? Okay. Asking 1 or more questions. So what is an addiction? Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right. And then here he's giving his thesis statement. Such less widely recognized addictions are known as soft addictions. So he asked questions. Well, what is an addiction? Or are you addicted to, or, excuse me. Okay, the 3rd way that you could do it is shifting to the opposite. So here they're giving us the introductory sentence. When you think of an addict, you probably, go into think of somebody in the hall, in a dark alleyway, blah, blah, blah. But then you put but, however, so you're going to the opposite. You're shifting to the opposite. All right. And then you're going to start from broad to narrow. You're going to go general to more specific. They call this the funnel too. Everybody knows what a funnel is. It's like a funnel. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm drawing pretty well. So you're going to go from broad down to specific. Okay. So here they're general, 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 and then they get into specific. And then look here, 3 very common soft addictions include drinking coffee, watching TV, and using the internet. I really like this for a thesis statement, and we'll go over these more later, but I just want to say, so what are the common soft addictions soft addictions is the topic. And what are we going to learn about them? Well, there are 3: drinking coffee, watching TV, and using the internet. Here you're listing the 3 main points. So you know that your first paragraph would be drinking coffee, the second body paragraph would be watching TV, and the third would be using the internet. So that's the 4 introductory. So now I'm going to make another video, and we're going to start with supporting paragraphs. I don't want the videos to be so long, so I'll make sure that I put the titles on them very clearly. So the next video, we're going to start right up here with supporting paragraphs.